And this time I'm talking to you about how to make money from the sales of car in Nigeria. How to make money from selling of cars in Nigeria. Number one way you can make money from selling of cars in Nigeria is to advertise. Make sure to advertise your car sales business in the right places to capture the attention of potential buyers. Then utilize online advertising methods such as social media, classified ads, and search engine optimization. The world today is a global market, so people that are going to buy from you may not be in your locality where you park the car. They may be far away, about kilometers, 100 kilometers away from where you are. Therefore, utilize the online medium to advertise your car. You can do that. You can create a Facebook page for that where you showcase the cars you have available for sale. You can go on Telegram and join car sales group and make them know that you have cars for sale. You can go on LinkedIn and present the cars you have for sale. You can go ahead in different social media platforms. Even on your WhatsApp status, you can show forth your car on Telegram and elsewhere. And even on YouTube channel, you can send the car you want to sell or the type of car you want to buy to me. And I'm going to make it up and put it up on my YouTube channel. And buyers and sellers are going to locate you. And you are going to be discussed and you are going to be glad that you did. So that is number one, talking about advertising. Advertising goes hand in hand with number two, which is networking. So you have to develop a network of contacts that can help you source cars to sell and find buyers, attend car shows, and then you have to join clubs and develop a relationship with local auto dealers also. All this is going to help your car business. Number three, where you can go and be able to sell car in the car business is to offer incentives. Set up some kind of incentive program for buyers to encourage more sales. This could include offering discounts, offers of free service contracts or extended warranties, or providing financing options. Some people give the option that, okay, if you buy a car from me, the next 3 months, I'm going to service the car for you. So the first month, second month, third month, we will service the car. So you also can offer this and to attract customers. Then create an online presence. Utilize an online presence to draw more people to your car business. Then develop an effective pricing strategy. As I said earlier, your price should not be the highest and it should not be the lowest. If it's the highest, people are going to be running away from it. If it's the lowest, also they will look at it that you are not doing the right thing. And then if it's the lowest, you are also not going to make much profit from the business. So your price have to be a good one, must be moderate. Then you have to provide quality service to anyone who come to you to buy or to sell. Ensure that customer service is a priority in your business offer. Offer a wide range of services to customers so as to keep them coming back to buy from you. Then you need to hire experienced staff. If you don't hire experienced staff, the people that you hire who are not experienced are going to spoil your business. So hire experienced staff. Then take finance options into considerations. Explore financing options to make it easier for customers to purchase cars. I know some people have facility with bank whereby when people come to buy with them, they will link them with the bank. Then the bank will give them the loan, and then they will take the car. So they will pay back the loan to the bank. So you can go ahead and do that. Anyone that comes to you, I want to buy, you can refer them to the bank to finance, and then they'll be glad you did. Then you have to monitor the market, also the car market. The car market fluctuates, especially in places where there's inflation and the exchange rate of the local currency is somewhat. So the price of car will fluctuate. So you have to keep monitoring the market to know what is happening per time and to know the trends. Then you have to leverage new technology if you are going to make money from the car sales business. Take advantage of new technologies such as automatic vehicle identification systems to make the car purchase process smoother and more efficient. Then build lasting relationships with your customers. Develop the relationships with your customers to ensure their loyalty and return for more car purchases in the future. offer excellent customer service, and stay in contact with them regularly. So you offer your customers good customer service, and then you stay in contact with the customers at all times. You don't give up on any customer, but you offer them the best. And once you do that, they are going to keep coming and keep referring people to you, and that is going to help your business to move. I have done series of videos on YouTube channel on how to make money on live, on success, on every kind of thing that you can talk about, and this is just one of them. Now this video popping up is also useful for you. You can click it to watch it. If of added value to you, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel, like this video, share the link of this video, and drop your comment and question in the comment section below. I'm going to come your way again soon. Please watch the video that is popping up right now. It is very, very good for you. Talk to you soon. Bye.